Hi, my name is Abigail and welcome back to Abigail's Craft Time. Today we're going to be making a mini Olaf ornament, which is super cute. I decided to make this because Frozen is actually really cool and I hope you watched Frozen too. So this is what you're going to need for the craft. Some glue, some yarn, some white pom-poms that are fluffy, and some black and orange fabric, some googly eyes for the eyes, some scissors to cut out the stuff that we need to cut out, like the nose and the hair. And that's what we're gonna need. Let's get started. This is the first thing you're gonna need to do for this craft. You're gonna take your orange fabric and we're gonna make a small triangle for his nose because we wanna make it look like his nose is a carrot. So let's make our small little nose. And it should look like this. Hello, Olaf nose. So just put your carrot aside and now we're gonna do the hair in the mouth. And so what we're gonna need to do for the mouth is we're gonna cut a rainbow out. I'll show you. Like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our scissors again. He has kind of a small tooth and we're gonna just draw another rainbow, just like a rainbow. So this is what we're gonna do for the hair, which is a pretty hard part. We're gonna take our fabric and we're gonna make a base for the hair, which is where we're gonna put the glue on. And now we're gonna make wavy lines, 3 wavy lines, and that's gonna be the little sticks here. I think it's stick, but whoever knows. So now I'm just gonna glue the parts like the hair and the googly eyes and stuff. So I'm gonna start with a carrot and I'm gonna put that right over there. And now I'm gonna take the mouth, which is super cute too, and put it right on it. And now it's a googly eyes part now. Just gonna put some glue. So his eyes are really close together, so that's what I'm gonna do with mine. So now I'm just gonna put some glue on the hair and I'm gonna split aside and that's where I'm gonna let it glue or dry. So now I'm gonna take my yarn and I'm gonna cut a small piece, so about this big it should be. And now we're gonna tie it so that we can actually glue the tie. I'm just gonna tie it like that, double tie, because we wanna make it super safe. And we also want to put it in the lines too so that it can stick real well. And now I'm just going to take it and glue it right on the back of Olaf. And that's how you make your own super cute Olaf ornament. And please go to my Facebook and take a picture of your Olaf and send it to my Facebook so I can look at it. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye! This is what you're going to need for the craft. Some glue. Let me get right after on. This is what you're gonna need for the That's how you make your own super cool, cute Olaf. Now I'm gonna put it in my tree. Please share. Oh no, I forgot that. That's how you make your own cute Olaf. And now I'm gonna put it in my tree.